Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with the Ortur Laser Master Pro 2. Friends, today we're going to cut some cardboard, so let's get cracking. Alright everybody, this is my website, HLModTech.com, and I have got a tab dedicated to flight. One of my projects about flight is called the Tiny Jet. I've got a page dedicated to this. We design a cardboard jet in Tinkercad. The design is project-based, so there is a design brief where students design and modify their own. We talk about what mods they will take, and then we also make our very own cardboard launchers, so that way when they're done, they get to take them home. The final project also has them make their own second jet, so they end up taking home at least 2 jets, as they learn cool things about making an airplane that'll fly. So the file is available on Thingiverse. I have already downloaded it. I'm going to go to the 4th button here, which is Import. And we're going to find the SVG. It's called Tiny Jet. If you download it, you can also just make your own. Now we need to choose the settings for cutting. What I have found is if I use a speed of 800, a pass count of 8, and 80% power, I can cut cardboard. So let's power up the laser. I'll use the move command to get the laser over to the correct location. Once again, if it's on the wrong COM part, switch it. I don't know why mine starts on COM 6, but I know it's on COM 3. But I have had that issue. That'll be something hopefully I can share with you later if I find a solution. I'm going to do the shift nudge because I want to get to the cardboard. Alright, so I'm on the cardboard. Now I'm going to grab my glasses and I'm going to check to see if I've got this at the right spot. This is the piece of metal that they give us to calibrate with. And then once again, I found out yesterday on the video editing, even though I had a pinpoint when I fired it, it did not look like a pinpoint to you guys. So that is exactly what I want it to look like. My height is perfect. Once again, I did this with some guess and check. I'm going to shut off the laser fire, remove the aluminum, replace the laser, and then our design is already set. Once again, I chose the red cut, 800 speed, 80% power, and I'm doing 8 passes. When I hit frame, it'll show us where it's going to go, so let's watch that quick. That totally fits on my piece of cardboard. I am happy. I'm going to nudge this just a tiny bit left, just in case. This cardboard's from my cafeteria at school. It is 4 millimeters thick, and I use it for all our projects. Alright friends, let's hit start and get ourselves some laser cutting. Alright everybody, so let's slide this back out of the way and see what we just made. So as you can see, the wing cut out buttery smooth, and so did the fuselage. One tiny little piece down here is grabbing on, but I was able to pop that off super easy. So the settings seem pretty darn slick. This is how the fuselage looks. The neat thing about this design that we made in Tinkercad is the wing is about the same size as that hole, but I've made it so you can slide it forward and back as you find the perfect center of gravity for your plane. We put a little clay on the front, and then we glue the tail fin in. So this is the adjustable Tiny Jet, which is a ton of fun. There's also a launcher file. This is super slick. These two just go together side by side. Make sure you put glue up here on the tip because you want this to be strong where the rubber band pulls, and you want it to be strong through there, and glue the two together. Pop this in just like this, or the other way. There's one way that it fits better. And then let that dry before you finally put a rubber band in and start launching your sweet little tiny jet. So friends, I love the Jet, and I can't kid you, I love having this sweet little laser at my house. Alrighty friends, so as you saw, the Laser Master Pro 2 cut the cardboard fantastic. It was moderately fast. At my school, I've got a 55 watt CO2 laser and I can burn through a ton of these super fast. But if I'm here at home prototyping, now I've got an option where I don't have to drive into school, do my test. I can actually get things figured out so that I can create more and more awesome things for my classroom. I also think it's super cool that this is at a price point where a family could afford one, and you could have your budding little engineers at home creating all kinds of awesome projects. And I love, friends, that all these projects are made with cardboard. When you have a free resource for learning prototyping, design skills, and just making things that you can actually touch so you learn what you did right and what you did wrong, I think it is an awesome concept. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.